down here.
Yes. Alright, I'm just going to pull out the chat. Alright, we might as well get started. I just realized my hair looks terrible. Look at that. That's just backing all the way up. Alright, it's gotten to that stage where it just wants to leave my head completely. So, yeah. It's trying to be like, off into the distance. Alright, welcome tonight. I'm a little bit more awake right now than I was the other night. So, yeah, let's get into it. It's going to be a short stream tonight. We're just going to do a thorough test of NearBeach to make sure things are working as intended. We're going to note what isn't going to be working and so forth like that. And then hopefully what will happen is in the next week we can do a release. It will probably be the final release. Actually, there's a 50-50 chance that it's going to be the final release this year, which is okay. I am hoping to do more releases early next year, so yeah. And hello, Pocomo, how are you tonight? I hope you're going very well. So yes, welcome to my stream. That meowing noise you'll hear every now and then is my cat. She is right here at the moment. Oop, not too far. Just accept what? She's hoping for treats. So, yeah. She loves them treats. So yeah, how have you been, Pocomo? Sorry. I hope you're going well. I realize that I haven't actually set up everything at the moment, so I'm going to do that right now. It's morning for you. Ah, fair enough. Yeah, it's evening here. It's just reached 7 o'clock in the evening. So yeah, good time to start doing all my tests. So I've got to get my server up and running. I wrote a simple Ruby script that just runs a bunch of commands for me. So that's what this is doing right now. And that just gets up my server. And then I want Untitled. We're going to need our source, our virtual environment. And we can start running our Django server. Okay, everything should be running. There we go. So we are logged in as a normal user, which is great. So we just want to start running some stuff. So let's put in a new organization. Let's go fake organization. Fake. Let's not write in everything properly. Okay, cool. Just testing to make sure those are still working. A fake.email, that should technically work. Okay, add contact. This is Socks. And thank you, Thomas, for the host. Socks. Beach. Alright, sadly we don't have the update profile working just yet. We are hoping to actually get that working very soon. And hey, Aiden, how are you tonight? Oh, Socks is just doing her body slam. Come here, Socks. Alright, so that is working how we want. Let's see if we can go back to fake organization. That is good. Yep, we see Socks is there. Ooh, this user can't upload a document. Alright. Yeah, I can't complain. I got a new bike today. So, yeah, I'll be able to ride back into work tomorrow, which is good. And I bought a heavier lock, which hopefully will work. So, yeah. I sadly have not heard back from the police yet, so, but I can't expect everything straight away. Yeah. Yeah, I actually like the bike. It's very minimalistic when you look at it, but that's fine. So yeah, I'm going to be hopefully having a little ride after stream. So I'm going to have a bit of a shorter stream today, just because I want to ride the bike, not going to lie. So yeah, I do like my bike riding, even though my weight does not show that fact. So yeah. Alright, let's put in a new bug. Okay, this is for NearBeach. Okay, this is for organizations. So what do we have? We have... I really should remove the information from there. Just have organization 15. It is a Scott. So Scott... Aspen? 140? Extra large? Oh, they don't have it. And it's in blue. So yeah. Simple, it's easy. I like the bike, I rode it around already. So yeah. Alright, going with this. Okay, so this is... I'm gonna put it as normal at the moment. All of these, yep, it's part of that alpha. Alright. So user... Yeah! So, I kind of fell in love with it pretty much right away and stuff like that. So, yeah. So hopefully, like the other bike, it'll get used a lot. So yeah, I've got 2 free services within the first 12 months. I am definitely going to use those 2 free services. So I'm going to book another service in 10 weeks from today, which would make it about middle of February. So yeah. Oh shoot, that reminds me, I've actually got a book. No, I've done stuff on that. Sorry, I just remembered something. Book SSL appointment for mid-Feb. Okay, cool. Sorry, that was just gotta do that for work. So if I put that there, I'll just do that. It won't take me too long. All right, cool. So user cannot upload documents in organization information. All right, cool. I have a diamond back outlook. Ooh, I don't know that one. Let's have a look. But yeah, I borrowed a bike from my friends. It would have been middle of 2020. Ended up using it quite a bit. So yeah. Oh, okay. Ah, yeah. Oh, I think there's something missing on this bike. Oh, nice. I do like that simplicity sometimes. So yeah, I saw quite a lot of bikes where they had bends in the bars and stuff like that. Kind of like that bend right there, but it was like up here, like it would go down and bend up and stuff like that. Yeah, I kind of like the simplicity. Had it since we were 14. Damn, that bike has been around. If you look after a bike, they'll last. I think I pretty much outgrew my childhood bike, and then it needed a new chain and all that kind of stuff, and then it was just too hard to ride, and yeah. Oh, wrong page. This page. I can close that. Anyway, okay, method. Scroll down for you guys. All right, 1. Okay, log into NearBeach. Yep, that's fine. Navigate the menu. It would be find object. Is it find object? List organizations. Oops, wrong tab. I've got to bring that tab over here. Navigate menu. Find object. List organizations. All right, 3. Click on the organization. 4 on the organization page. Scroll down to the documentation tab. For try and upload a document. Expected results. Document does not upload. Cannot upload document. Cannot start the wizard. Actual results. Okay, cool. Now, sorry, I've got this around the wrong way today. Alright, let's just copy and oops, paste that in the wrong spot. Alright, cool. Expected results. Can start the wizard and upload a document. Cool. There's going to be some. Oh, are you okay there, sweetie? You're just shaking your head like there's no tomorrow. Alright, so we've got another bug. That's perfectly fine. So, associated objects. As you can see, we've got... We never associated this organization with anything, did we? Oh. Pretty sure we didn't. Yeah, okay. This is another bug. This is why we're searching for them. By the way, what are you doing to use for automatic testing? I'm tempted to use GitHub Actions to auto build. Ah, fair enough. So I use CircleCI for my unit testing. So all the Python stuff, I'm slowly writing all the unit testing for. And then I'll also do the same thing with VueJS. So I'll probably use Jest.js for VueJS unit testing. So this will work really easily. And for the end-to-end, I use Cypress.io, which is also really good because apparently this will run within CircleCI, so I can actually set up CircleCI to actually run both the Jest.js and the Cypress.io. So yeah, and I do believe GitHub Actions should be able to do something similar. So yeah, GitHub, I should be actually logged in. Oh, okay, give me 2 seconds. I'm just going to do a security thing. All right, there it is. Trust it to hide. All right, get back to that. All right. Cool. So yeah, I'll just write, just in case anyone else is curious. So CircleCI, Jest.js, and Cypress.io. So yeah, they all do different things, and yeah, it's just combining them all to actually run in CircleCI. So yeah, that way I cover the unit testing for the Django side of things using PyTest. Using Django's essentially built-in sort of testing framework, which is built on top of PyTest. And then yeah, the Jest.js is just the unit test for the VueJS. The Cypress is just an end-to-end test, and yeah. A few things juggling around, but that's perfectly fine. I'll make that into a command. Oh, cheers, thank you. What are you eating? It's a piece of paper. Yeah, it's a bit sticky, isn't it? She's eating a piece of paper. Oh, she stopped. She stopped when the camera light pointed at her. So there's a little bit of sticky note there, and she tried eating it. Alright, let's get this bug into place. Okay. So organizations, this is a normal all. Ah, cheers. Thank you very much, Aiden. Okay, so associated objects under association information is showing the wrong information. So what we want to do, method. The method really in these sorts of cases, even though the summary kind of really summarizes it all, is to point at where it is wrong. Cool. One, log into NearBeach to navigate to an organization's information. 3, navigate to the associate objects for that organization. Expected results. So expected results with the associated objects are really associated. Actual results, there are some objects in there that are not. And then you write notes. Might not be filtering by organization. Simple fix. All right. And MISC assign tags. Ooh, add tags here. All right. I feel like we can fix these tonight. So we might actually just jump into coding and just fix them, get these over and done with. So organizations, this is once again normal. Because whilst they're still fresh in my mind, I'd rather get them out. So cannot add tags to organization information. Now, we want to be able to add tags and notes, don't we? Just trying to think about this. Do we really want to add a tag to? No, we don't want to add a tag to organizations. Let's see if that's even possible. So let's go to localhost admin. Got to actually, sorry, I'm going to change container into personal. All right, cool, tags. Okay, that's fine. Tag assignments. No, we can. Okay, cool. So yeah, that is a bug. We've got to fix it. So yeah, we can actually tag an organization. Cannot add tags to organization information. So method one, log into NearBeach, two, navigate to an organization information page. That's just me cheating. Then what we want to do is on the organization information page, go to the MISC tab for add a tag. So expected results, add tag wizard will show user is able to add a tag to the organization information. Actual results, button is not available. Button is not available. User to add tag. All right, cool. I just realized there's also Jenkins to test and build. Yep, yeah, there are actually a few. So I know of Jenkins. I know of Travis CI. However, I've been told by some people, and I don't know why, not to use it, and I don't know why. So yeah. So there is Travis. GitLab. If you've got your source code on GitLab will have its own thing. GitHub once again has its own actions, so GitHub actions. Which is yeah, GitLab runners, yeah. But you also got this whole CI/CD testing in GitLab. Now I haven't done or seen anything about GitHub about that, so I'm not going to comment about GitHub. Very much likely that they would, but once again, haven't seen or read anything about that. Yeah, there's a bunch of little testers out there. All right, and Bitbucket has one too. So yeah, they've got like, yeah. I'm just going to turn on the lights. Alright. Cool. I'm just going to close this, and close this. Alright. And we want to be able to add notes, I'm pretty sure. Notes. So object notes. Yeah, we want to be able to do this. Okay, so there's another bug. And what we'll do is we'll fix these bugs tonight, or hopefully fix all of them. Organization. Cannot have notes attached to them. Alright, cool. Method 1, log into NearBeach to navigate the menu. Just navigate to an organization information page. 3, go to the notes tab, expected results, use it to actually see the notes tab. The notes tab and add in a note. Actual results, cannot see notes tab. Alright, did you notice GitHub went down kinda? Oh, no, I didn't actually notice. I haven't been on GitHub today. So my work uses Bitbucket. And the not-for-profit I work for uses GitLab. But I've only did about half an hour of work for them today. Yeah, okay. Do you know if it's something to do with AWS's downtime? So I know that AWS went down. That was a big thing today. In the US East one. Luckily we didn't get hit. So yeah. Oh, it was a couple of weeks ago. Oh, no. Yeah. So yeah, I only mainly use GitHub for NearBeach and stuff like that. I haven't actually been at a workplace that actually uses GitHub. I don't know. Oh, I should also mention I got a new job, which I'll be starting on the 20th of this month. I don't know what the new job actually, what source management tool they use. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see what they use. But yeah, everything's happening at the moment. Okay, so we can't update profile picture yet. So I'm, yeah, a bit skeptical about removing that button just yet. Yeah, cheers, thank you. So yeah, I'm pretty stoked. I'm pretty excited. So I'll have more information in the future. So, yeah. That's a hard drive. All right, cool. Let's go and fix these issues. So let's do a search. Let's do a NearBeach search where we're just searching for organizations. We just want confirmed and in progress. And then we go search. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, cool. We won't be able to fix that one. I'm thinking of dropping that as a won't fix. So new organization duplicate script should find something with similar names. That just is it's probably going to cost me more time than it's worth. So, what exactly is the new job using, or is it? So it is a. I'll be working for the digital agency part of the thing, and they'll be using Umbraco, which is C#. So yeah, it'll be interesting to actually sink my teeth back into Umbraco. I've used it in the past before. So yeah, I'll be front end, and yeah, it'll be kind of cool getting back into things. Implementation of image uploading. I need to fix that. That's just. Yeah, so I'll need to do those things. But let's fix the easy ones first. Let's get them out the door. So user cannot upload documents on organization information. So let's click that. Let's find out why. So OmniVim. Oh, let's just use PryCharm because I can type it in. Just booting up. Not a rickroll. I got someone with it at work. So, I could bait them into it. I was like, hey, yeah, I did this site and stuff like that, and they like clicked on it and they're like, what is this? And then yeah, it changed to rickroll. Yep, absolutely hilarious. All right. So what we want to do, upload documentation in organization information. Let's open up the tab and see what data we're actually pulling through. We'll probably... Ooh, this is slow already. All right. Templates. Organization information. So we've got 2 here. I don't think we're actually pulling down the user's permissions. Okay, let's fix that. We can easily fix that. So let's go into the views. Let's go into organization views. Let's go in. We don't want new information. We just want organization duplicates. Organization information. All right, cool. So first off the bat, customer, blah blah blah. Okay. Doesn't send the user results. Okay, organization. Okay, so I'm going to open up project information, and I'm going to show you how it's set up there. Have you got on the wrong bus and wrong train? A few times. I've actually done that a few times. One time I confirmed it wasn't my problem because they were showing the wrong thing on the thing. But yeah, no, I've done it a few times. So yeah, almost ended up near London. Ooh, I'm assuming you are in the wrong way. So luckily for Melbourne, we've got a spiderweb sort of system. And the good news is, if you're paying attention, let's wait. Metro Maps Melbourne. If you're paying attention, you'll notice that you're on the wrong track. Otherwise, you're going into the wrong area. So we've got this like sort of thing that spreads out, more like a spider with all its legs kind of dangling out and stuff like that. So there's been plenty of times where instead of catching like the Frankston line or something like that, I've accidentally caught the Pakenham line. So I've gone down here and I ended up around here before I noticed. And luckily getting from here back to here is pretty easy, and then you're like so. Yeah, they've done that a few times. So yeah. And the one time where I actually proved that they were incorrect was when they showed the wrong train information, saying they will stop at my station, However, they didn't. And yeah, I was pretty furious about that and ended up getting a refund. So yeah, that was a fun day. The train wasn't my fault. I didn't know what platform the train was on, so I said, yeah, okay, yeah, that does happen sometimes. So yeah. Alright, new project information. I'll show you how this is set up. So project information. So it always goes through check permissions. In the check permissions, we should have the user level pop out. So we're going to have to check the decorator for the organization information one, which might be a bit different. So check user organization permission. So let's go to our decorators. This is check user permissions. So that's the customer permissions. This is the check Kanban permissions. Check the organization permissions. All right, cool. So what we want to do, it does look like it sends back a user level for if the admin, it does look like they send back a user level. So what we need to do is essentially, we just grab the quargs user level, like so. So we can do that at the top, bang, get out of the way, copy that, go down here, LMNOP QRSTUV, so that is after here. We just place it in like this. Oh, fair enough. Yeah, in Melbourne, we have zones. So if you accidentally do catch the wrong bus, tram, train, and you're in the same zone, you'll be perfectly fine. In fact, you can, they've simplified the zones. I think it's, yeah, I've forgotten what they've done to the zones because I haven't catch, I had to catch public transport the other days, but yeah, I think they've combined a lot of them together and all that kind of fun stuff. So yeah, but yeah, you can travel from one area all the way to another area and then all to another area, all on a day ticket with just one zone. So yeah, I do like that idea. Alright, so we go in here. So I need to check organization modules. I do believe that's where we're doing the permissions. So we need to go into the VueJS component. Opening up our source, our JavaScript, our components, our organizations, and Socks is just standing in the way. Socks, sorry, your tail's literally in the way, sweetie. Yes, I know. So organization modules, there we are. Yes, meowsa. So we don't port it down. Okay, which is fine. Now I'm going to check organization information 2 to see if it's ported down in there or if we've set it to port up in there. So, props, organization results. So we're not porting the information down this way. So what we're going to do, we're going to put it down in here because that's what we do with the other module. So we're trying to be a little bit consistent. So, Socks, your tail's in the way. Yes, I know. Love you too, Socks. Do you want to... She's sitting in between my keyboard and mouse now. Right. There's my mouse. There's Socks. She's like, yeah, I'm going to sit right there for you guys. It's okay. Okay, cool. Now, this is in sort of an old-fashioned way. I do like to do it like this. So type is array, and then the default, and this is where we need this, and we just return an empty, so like that. All right. Boop. Just booped her on the nose. It's just like, you just got booped. 0. So yeah, the reason why I like doing that is because it kind of structures it. So we need user permission. So I am going to use the user level. All right, cool. And this is just a type number, and default is 0. Okay, that's all we need. Okay. So we can then pass that down into the other modules. So, okay, cool. We need to actually send that upstream when this whole thing is mounted. And that is actually a function. So send the user permissions to view X. Okay, this will be this dot $store dot I forgot, so I am just looking this up. Dot commit. So we like one of these, dot commit, and then type, and then we put in the commit type, which will be user level. Commit, so that will be type. We'll figure that out, and then the value. So we've got new card there. Update list. I'm going to have to actually check the VueX component. So let's go to the app.js, which, yes, I do need a fix. I fully understand for all of those who are like, oh my god, there's so much in there. I will break this all down very shortly. That is actually on the thing that I want to kind of do with this whole thing. So module card, we don't need card. Module destination, we don't need destination. Module user level. All right, cool. So we've got a thing called update user level, and the prop will be just user level. Cool. So that's what we'll do here. So update user level, and then we've got user level equals this dot user level. Like that. Easy done. So that should update a lot of that. So if we go up to our terminal, let's actually cd into our NearBeach directory, do an npm run pro, let's just do a watch, because we're going to be making more and more changes. So yeah, cool. Go down to our code, let's do a refresh. So we don't actually have the buttons yet, which is a bit disappointing. We still have add contact, but that's fine. All right, so let's have a look at the modules and see if we actually need to get these modules to actually get that data. So we have add customer button, add permissions button, document module right here. So we need document module. That will be part of the modules. That will be sub modules and then document module. So I'm just scrolling down to here. And this will be part of computed. User level, get user level. Oh. I think I'd know what I've just done wrong. Oh, sorry, Socks. Come here. Thank you. I've used update user level. Alright, let's down here, let's open up our VueJS dashboard. Oops, you okay there, Socks? Just whacking them on, whacking everything with your tail. Okay. So user level at 0. Oh. Am I not passing this down? I'm not passing this down. This is my bad. All right, vbind this in. So user hyphen level equals, and then bang bang, and then we've got user underscore level. Yeah. And then we've got to refresh this. Oh, something went ding. And thank you very much for the follows, Sinner. I just wait. Give me 2 seconds for this. Sinolanic. Thank you very much for the follow. It is greatly appreciated. I'm terribly sorry that I tripped up on your name. So yeah, welcome. I do hope you're enjoying the content. All right, let's see if this is. There we go. All right, cool. And now we can upload a file. So if we upload, that's going to be too big. Yeah, why not? There's a bug already for me to fix that, but yep. You okay there, Socks? We should. Okay, we've got to fix that next. We can now add tag to organization, so we can be like blocked. Oh, Socks, you okay? That's what happens when you knock over the phone. It lands on you. It's like, but what just happened? So Socks was just banging the phone just then. That was the banging noise, and it ended up falling on top of it. Okay, so that is good news. So we have technically fixed this. There is another thing to talk about what we're gonna fix. Socks, you just knocked over the phone again. Alright, cool. I'm gonna copy that. I am gonna go up here. I am gonna go bang, and Socks is gonna knock over the phone again. This time onto the cords, so there wasn't much of a bang. Okay, I'm just gonna, just so you guys can see her be naughty. Oh, now that she knows she's on camera, she's like, oh god. Oh god. Oh god, they can see me. Oh, what have I done? Oh, no, well. Oh, we got 2 of those bots. Alright. Okay. We are... Cool. I haven't got 2 of those messages in a row by 2 different bots ever. I must be getting popular. Git status. Alright, cool. So, git add, git commit. Alright, we're going to have a git commit message. The message is pretty much, hey, we just fixed this. Trying to connect all the commits to 1 or 2 bug fixes and stuff like that. And I'm trying to get better with my commit messages. Alright, cool. Git push. Isn't that right, Socks? Hey, sweetie. Yep, good girl. Now that the camera's on you, you're like, ah. Alright, I did technically fix 2 bugs then. Alright, so users cannot upload documentation, then that's fine. We'll fix this one up. Okay, I'm just going to reload this. So, associate objects, and yep, let's fix this one up. This one, yep, very popular, yeah. Well, now that Socks is here, hopefully I'll bring in an even bigger crowd. Alright. Just gonna close all these. Ooh, this is close all tabs. All right, cool. Now from here, let's have a look. Oh, sorry. Bit of a yawn. We want associated objects. Oh, we've got a 404. Oh. Oh, that's a big bug. Okay, cool. That's yeah, that undefined is, that's why it caused that issue. Okay, cool. I am going to go back to fixing that very much. Very popular. I had my first comment on YouTube and it was a bot. Yeah, I did watch your video, by the way. My only recommendation, wait about 3 seconds before starting to talk. Otherwise it was good. It's the only recommendation I have. Alright, documentation. So this would be under the document uploads, which would be part of this document modules. So the root user was not sent upstream, which we can actually do at the cool. This limited to organization information. So we've got location ID. So what we want is vbind root URL and stuff like that. So I am going to grab that directly from projects. So we've got the root and static. So you know, just grabbing those. Right. And then I need to program that into organization modules. Like so. Okay, and then we just want to put them in. No PQRS. So that one down here. Static. Sorry, because I'm gonna have to type. Thank you. Tick URL. We want this as a simple type is a string, and default is just bang like that. And then we're gonna copy this, and we're gonna go root URL like so. All right. And then we just need to send those two upstream, very similar to this. So we're just gonna send the root URL and static URL upstream. And then this will be this dot store dot commit, and then we had the type. Update. Ooh. I think URL. And then static URL is this dot static URL. All right. I'm about 50% sure that's correct. That is running cool. So in here, we just have to reload. And we'll figure out why the document uploads, if they work now. So we have a maximum of 1 kilobyte in here. So hence we're doing amber meow. We still got a 404. All right. So that undefined really should be a /. So let's go to document module. We'll need the wizard, because this is part of the wizard. So yeah. Upload document wizard. Okay, that should be. Yep. All right. Okay, let's stop root URL. Oh. All right, cool. So we just missed putting this in here. So Vuex. So we want to import map getters from Vuex. I had to do that so many times the other day. It comes off my. It's natural now. Computed. And then we want 1, 2, 3 map getters. All right, cool. Then we want one of those because it's an object. And then we want root URL. We'll have static URL. That will be get static URL. And then we'll have root URL, get root URL. Cool. I'm so glad that I'm a plain namer when I name things. Anyway, I'll put myself back like that. Alright. Let's save that. Now that should fix everything. Okay. Upload document. Let's test that again. Robotic. Ambi meow. Ooh. Now that should be working. No file found. I really hate the upload system in this sometimes. I can never get it to work. It works for one day. And then I sneeze and it just stops working. So sites, Untitled, PyCharm project, Untitled. Let's have a look. Untitled. So we're looking for 22. 22, 3. All right, you open up that and there it is. Tell you what we're doing, we're just running a quick test. Setting tab ls, and then we're just pasting in that directory. Okay. Oh, I know. I see. We go back here. There's no private. I didn't put it in the private. That must be part of my settings. I'm gonna have to fix that. That's an urgent thing. All right. Alright, cool. Method, tried uploading a document against organization. The document uploaded, however, didn't upload to the private directory. Could then no longer download it. I didn't, damn it, I didn't. Okay, I'll just wait till this is, yep, PC all highest. This is is actually critical now because I want to get this out the door. So yeah, I've got to get all of this tested. All right, cool. So, can't find it at private, but if we move that folder into private, it'll be fine. Okay. Let's fix the associated objects. Oh, sorry, I didn't get notified about the raid. Thank you very much, Solar X Burn. How are you this evening? I'm terribly sorry that I got distracted. Didn't hear the thing go off, so Soul X Burn. So yes, thank you very much for the raid. How was your stream? And welcome, Bonquen. I do like the I do like the emotes there with the Morcor chest and the arm. I do actually have I just because I have a picture I can show you. Just wait, where is it? Getting a dunk. So yeah, I do have a muscle shirt. Even though I'm not muscly at all, I'm a rather large human being. So yeah, I do. I love the muscles. You're doing well. Deep in the flow state. I get yeah, it was. Honestly I didn't hear it. I gotta fix up all my alerts and start using something else to kind of alert me, because I'm pretty sure I haven't. Yeah, I didn't hear that raid at all. So yeah. Yes, it is a great shirt. So yeah, I'm in the large human being category. Yes, yeah, I am. I admit it. So yeah, I'm an obese person. It might not look at it when I'm framed like this, but there's two reasons why the camera's up there. So it doesn't, and I'm growing a beard. It doesn't capture the different levels of my chin, and I'm wearing black at the moment, so it doesn't look like my gut is coming out in 3D. So yeah. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna have to sort of invest some time in fixing up either Streamlabs or getting Nightbot or something like that to start playing something different. So yeah, I'm terribly sorry. Welcome to my stream. I am just, yeah, fixing up NearBeach at the moment. This is actually Bugzilla. Fixing up NearBeach at the moment. So we have been finding a couple of bugs. I've just put in an urgent bug, as you see. And yeah, I'm looking at the organization information and just fixing up stuff here at the moment. This is an area that has not had enough love put into it. Like, this update profile won't work at the moment, and I do want to get that to work. One of the major bugs we just found is these are sadly not going to the correct folder, which is very annoying for me, because I feel like I'm trying to fix that every single week. So yeah. Anyway, getting into it. So we wanted to fix up associated objects. So currently at the moment, all these objects are not actually connected to this organization, yet they are appearing. So let's find out where they're coming from. So if we open up the network tab, we'll just have to reload. This reloads pretty quickly. So associated objects. As you can see, I'll zoom in for you guys. This is the URL for the associated objects. So we've got organization 15 associated objects. So we know this is going in the object data view. So yeah, oh, sorry, it's your tail. Oop. I moved my cat's tail and then smashed the keyboard. Hopefully I didn't type anything. Okay, scrolling up to the Django side of things, we are wanting the object data, one of our other very big file. This is another one which will be broken up shortly. So yeah, it'll be hopefully a lot smaller. I just got to figure out how I want to break it up. So associated objects, if destination is organization, return associated object organization. So let's find out where this is. So here it is. This is a good thing that I actually wrote a note here for myself. I'm just going to close that so the code is all over the screen. So yeah. Due to the organization's links being connected to the object directly, we will need to query all objects with that and combine them into one JSON output. Okay, cool. Please note, opportunities are the exception here, hence they are utilizing object assignment table. Opportunities no longer exist in NearBeach because they're kind of not a project management sort of thing. They will be in a separate project. To make it JSON friendly, we have to add .values to each of the object lookups and simply get. Okay, cool. All right. So object opportunity was. Why we won't need opportunities anymore. All right. It's been a while since I've actually played on this. This is back before I actually decided to scrap opportunities during the rewrite. Need to learn how to speak. I do. So we've got project results, requirement results. So organization ID in location ID. Okay. Project. That really should just be equals, not in. All right. Okay, so we've got those three. Opportunities is going away. And then we just return a JSON response. Let's see if that works. Okay, that's what we wanted. It looked like that in was actually causing all the associated objects to come through. All right, let's jump into the menu. Let's go find objects. Let's actually look at another organization which I know has some. So NearBeach organization. There we go. We still have some there. All right, cool. So we just fixed that bug. One other thing I am actually going to do is I am going to remove that completely. Going to hit save. All right. And let's compile that properly. npm run prod. So yeah. So Saltburn, what were you doing on your stream, if you don't mind me asking? Right, that is done. Let's do a git status. Okay, git add, git commit. All right. So what we want to commit is the bug fix for this. All right, cool. Paste that in. I am going to have that at the end, and then I'm going to git push. All right, cool. And that will be now ready for retesting. I'm going to open up the search, save changes. Going to refresh this. All right, organization cannot have notes attached to them. So we need to fix this notes problem, which should be very simple to do. So under our organization modules, what we want to do is we want to copy what we have under the, if we scroll down to the VueJS side of things, we've got the parent module down here. This will contain the notes code. So if we keep scrolling down, oops, too far. So essentially all we need for the notes is location ID and destination ID. Cool. Might as well just copy, actually, I'll copy that. Up here, we've got modals, that's modal. All right, cool. So we've got this. So what we want to do is div class equals the old tab pane, fade, ID equals notes module, role equals the simple tab panel. Yep, easy done. And then aria, label by profile tab, and then bang that like that. Get rid of some of those extra spaces. Add that in like that, and that should be the fix. So if we npm run watch here, we'll watch the files, and then we'll see what happens. All right, cool. Let's wait. Well, we're look at NearBeach and notes. Oh, forgot one thing. You need to actually add the tab in up here. So what we need to do is, I'm just going to copy this and paste it down here. We're going to make the minor changes, the notes module, role presentation, nav link, modules tab. No, this will be ID notes module tab, and then that goes into notes module. Is it no? Did I pluralize it down here? Notes module. Yes, I did. All right, and that's a button. That's a tab. Error. We just want that to say notes. Okay, everything recompiles. We hit refresh. And we've now got notes. So here's our notes. Let's see if we can add a note to the organization. This is an organization. And then let's just reload to make sure everything works perfectly fine. We should see that note. Great. Let's go to another organization. Let's go to number 2. We should see that note there. And we don't see associated objects or MISC. Cool. So this is another fix. So let's compile the code into npm run prod. Let's grab this. Just waiting for that to compile. So yeah, how's everyone's evening going? I hope everyone's having a wonderful evening. Yeah. Git status. I do have to change that red to something I can read. Cool. Git add everything, git commit, and then bug operations cannot have notes attached to them. Yep, that's the fix. Git push. All right. Let's check on our Circle CI. I just want to make sure everything's still building correctly and being tested. So we've got a success from 5 minutes ago. That's great news. As you can see, our 14 seconds ago, we've just pushed stuff like that. And it's doing its thing. All right. Oh, wrong way. So that's notes, that's all done. So this one I can go to ready for retest. So yeah, I've got a bit of, I don't like to complete bugs straight away. The reasoning being is I like to retest them on a sort of server setup and stuff like that, because I have found out in the past that sometimes I might fix something on my local that doesn't work on production. Okay, implementation of image uploading. So, sorry, I just got a message. I am just going to quickly. Alright, cool. Sorry, needed to just reply to that message. Alright, so we've got a, for organizations and customers, we want the ability to upload files. We have a note in here which is like, oh, we could potentially use something like this. Use npm to install a view core image upload save. Button crop false, image upload data, max file size, the URL, which we can pass through. We've got the root URL. And then, okay, and then import, okay, yep, and then components, yep, okay, cool. This is all looking good. Source, all right. Image upload res. Image uploaded. Okay, cool. That follows down here. If res error code equals 0. Code example. Cool. Upload image. Let's do robotic meow. Did it do stuff? Then we must define the URL as your server API. Then we bind a function to more details. Yeah, that makes sense. But let's okay. Oh no. Okay. I'm probably going to look for another widget. Okay, cool. Not a problem. Sometimes this happens. So what we want to do is we want a library that is currently under development and stuff like that. So what we are going to do, my bugs. Actually, no, I've got this on NearBeach itself. Just give me 2 seconds. I'm actually going to log into the production version of NearBeach. Sorry, it's meant to be .app, not .org. I should remove that .org from my thing. Alright, cool. Find objects. List all. Cool. New features for NearBeach. So you guys get to actually see stuff in here. So yeah, this is the Kanban board functionality of NearBeach. So if I scroll down, I have a MISC section where I'm like, I need to do this, and this. It doesn't really fall under any of those other components directly. It could fall under multiple. I need to fix that going sideways stuff. Alright, document update, create private, add login page, notify users, they do not include it. Yep, okay, Flatpak, data, that's start, purge, remove, documentation write up, documentation per, okay, implement NearBeach, sprints, Docker, so it's not part of this section. Flat picker, eh? I think that's just... It's a lightweight and powerful daytime picker. Yeah, no, that's just a daytime picker. Oh, just wait. Give me 2 seconds. All right. Next up, Goodcorn, NearBeach to a NearBeach tutorial is built in. Alright, that's not it. Administration, there was something. Look at that was correct. Put it in here. Oh, okay, I think. Yeah, okay, cool. Yeah, I was thinking of actually doing something like this and using this native UI library when I switched to Vue 3. Alright. So that's the daytime pickers. Let's see if there's an image one in here. Ooh. Terribly sorry everyone, it's just a bit of a yawn. It's getting past my bedtime. It's only 8:30. Okay, image group basic, image previewer demos. I want image uploader. Image uploader. Sorry about that, everyone. People are like, I love a garden. Alright. No, icons. I want to upload. Alright. Upload file. Okay, cool. Yep, that's fine. Drag and drop. Yep, that's fine. Pictures. That's oh, okay, cool. All right. Okay, oh, I can't upload that. Can't load up any of that. All right. Ooh. I still kind of like that. And then we just need to limit it down to images only. Yeah, I like this. Alright, cool. I am probably gonna copy this. I'm gonna put it against the bug. this is going to be blocked by another issue. So this depends on another bug, which I got to find very quickly. So it might be best to use the above script to upload above library for the uploads. Cool. And then what I want to do, view. Okay, nothing. Confirm. All right, cool. Here's Wiki. All right. Cool. I think I gotta do. Check it to that there. Alright. I am probably going to be finishing up. It's just a short stream tonight. I just want to. I bought a new bike, so I want to go out and test out the bike and stuff like that. So yeah, it's going to be a short stream. I'm just wondering if it's going to rain. Let's actually have a look at the bomb. Oops, I forgot that are you. Still haven't secured their site. Yay! Okay, so it might not rain. Cool. Anyway, let's find someone to raid. It's Oik. Yep. I'll just mute that. Ooh, is he there? I'm waiting to find out if he's there. Alright, cool. Where am I going? I'm actually going up here. I'm meant to be like a raid channel. It's Oik. He's raided me a couple of times. Now I get to raid him. So yeah, anyway, thank you everyone for coming. It is greatly appreciated. Thank you very much, Bernek. Oh god, I keep forgetting the last part. It's oh no, I got it around the wrong way. Solex Burn for the raid. Thank you very much. It is greatly appreciated. Hello everyone who came through that raid. I hope you're going well. So yeah, my name is Robotic Head. I've been working on NearBeach for a while now. Hopefully I'll have it in beta next year, so hopefully mid next year I'll have it in beta, all the functionality all set up, all the tests and stuff like that all set up and stuff like that, so I can keep building features for it without breaking stuff to people. So yes, thank you very much everyone. Let's turn up the volume for It's Oik so we can hear him, and let's hit raid. I've also got to turn off the music. There we go. And let's hit raid.